Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today I am going to teach the continuation of self-practice 1A. The second Roman, filling the blanks. First one, 28 into dash equal to 28. So, in which number you have to multiply by 28, you will get 28 children. 1. If you multiply with 1 only, you will get 28. And next question, minus 16 into dash equal to 16. Okay children. So here minus 16 is there. Okay, but answer is plus 16. So, but number is same, but sign alone differ. When will you get the same number, children? If you multiply by 1 only, you will get the same number. So, you have to multiply by 1. After that, you see the sign. Okay, here the minus 16. Here, the minus 16 is there. Okay, here plus 16 is there. So, we have to multiply by minus 1. Then only we will get plus 16. Minus, here, minus 1. Okay, children. And the next, 285 into dash equal to 0. When you will get 0, children, if any number multiplied by 0, you get the result also 0. So, 285 into 0 equal to 0. Okay, children. Next, 0 divided by any 6, here 63 is given. But 0 divided by any number, you get 0 only. And minus 95 divide dash equal to 1. When you will get 1, children, if you divide by the same number, for example 2 divided by 2, what you will get? 1. If you divide by the same number, you will get 1. So here what is the same number here? 95. Why should I written 95, children? If I put minus, means the minus will be cancelled. Suppose minus 2 is there. I am writing minus 2. What I am receiving, children? Plus 1. But see here, minus 1 is there. When you will get minus, children, minus divided by plus equal to, you get minus. So that I put positive here. So minus 95 divide 95 equal to minus 1. And next, minus 50 into dash equal to 50. So you are getting minus 50 is there. In right hand side plus 50 is there. When you will get the same number, you multiply by 1 only, you get the same number. But here positive is there, that negative is there. So when the negative will be changed on positive, if you multiply with the minus only, you will get positive. Now minus into minus will get plus. So what number you have to write here? Minus 1. Do you understand, children? I'll move on to the next question. This is 1, children. Okay. The next question, third question. Evaluate by using suitable identities. Third Roman. So first question, 37 into minus 58. 37 into minus 58 plus minus 58 into minus 27. Look at here, children. Here 58, 50, minus 58, minus 50. These two numbers are same. So you give the name A. Okay, children. So here this 37 and 27 are different numbers. So first you consider as B. 37 is B. Okay. Here this is C. Now what you are receiving, children? A into B plus A into C. So equal to, here which is common element? A. So A into B plus C. So A into B plus C, what you will get, children? A into B A plus A into C. What is the name of the property, children? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Do you understand, children? Now this side is given here. We are going to finding the value using this. Okay. So now here A equal to minus 58, B equal to 37. C equal to minus 27. Now we find the value, children. So minus 58 into 37 plus into minus of 27 equal to minus 58 into 37 plus into minus you will get minus. So minus 27 is equal to minus 58 into 10. 37 minus 27 you get 10. Now you multiply these two numbers, what you will get? 58 into 10 you get 580. 580. After that you have to see the symbol. So symbol means sign. Okay children. Here plus sign is there. So minus into plus you get minus. So what is the answer? Minus 580 is the answer. So what is the answer? Minus 580. So direct multiplication you know very well. Here we need to use the property to find out the value, children. That's why we used it here. Here what is the property we used it here? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Do you understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? Next to the B question. Minus 45 into 103. Okay, so here we just split it, children. Minus 45 into the 100. How can you split, children? 100 plus 3, because 103 is very closer to 100. So you split it. 100 plus 3 you get 103. So you write like this. Now you look at here. This is A, this is B, this is C. Three different numbers are there. So you take it as. Okay children. So A into B plus C equal to, what is the answer? A into B plus A into C. Okay, here minus 45 into 100 plus 3 equal to minus 45 into 100 plus minus 45 into 3 equal to, so minus 45 into 100 you get minus 4500 plus minus 45 into 3. 3 5s are 15, remaining 1. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Minus into plus you get minus. Now both the numbers are negative. So you should add it. What answer you will get? Minus 4635. So what is the answer, children? Minus 4635. What I did here? First I split it 103, 100 plus 3. After that A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Because what property we used here? Distributive property of multiplications over addition. So like that I split it here. So minus 45 into 100 plus minus 45 into 3. Minus 45 into 100 you get minus 4500 plus minus 135. So we are going to add these two numbers, and these two numbers have same sign. So what you will do, if the number has same sign means we have to add. Okay, so 4500 plus 135 you get 4635. So the both the numbers are minus sign. So I put minus here. You understand, children? Let's move on to the next question. See here, 4 into 87 into minus 25. Here, direct multiplication is given here. But here we are going to use easy way of multiplication. Look at here, you know very well, in 100 how many 25 are there? 4 there. 4 25 are there. So 4 into 25, if you multiply, you will get easily. You will get 100 easily. Okay, children. So, how can you, I'm going to write first 87 into 4 into 25, you get 100. 4 is positive, 25 is negative, you get minus 100. Now you multiply this 87 into 100, 8700. So 87 is positive. Here plus sign is there. Plus into minus, you get minus. So minus 8700. Very easily you can get the answer. If you multiply 4 into 87, after that you multiply by 25, it gets time, children, and you have the chance to make the mistake in that place. But you think like that, when you will get 100, when you will get 1000, like that, if you multiply means you can get the answer very easily. So here 4 into 25, you get 100. So 100 into any number, we can easily multiply without mistake. So you can use this method for finding this. Okay, children? You understand? Shall I move on to the next question? Look at here. Minus 16 into minus 39. So here the direct multiplication we can't do here. So we have to split it. So how we are going to split this? You see here minus 16 into 39. How can you write this? Minus 40 plus 1, you get minus 39 because minus 39 is a greater. So that's the greater number I put minus. So minus 40 plus 1 you get minus 39. You see here now, this is A, this is B, this is C. So A into B plus C equal to, what is that? A into B plus A into C. Okay, children. Now here you find out the value here. So minus 16 into minus 40 plus 1 equal to minus 16 into 40. Sorry, minus 16 into minus 40. Minus 16 into minus 40 plus minus 16 into 1. Okay, children. So 16 into 40, here 1 0 is there, you put the 0, just you multiply by 4. 4 6 are 24, remaining 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 6. So minus into minus you get plus. So plus 640 plus minus 16 into 1 you get minus 60. Now both the number are different. 640 plus into minus minus 60. After subtracting what you will get? 624. What is the answer? 624. So the answer is 624. Do you understand, children? What I did here? Minus 39 and split it. Minus 40 plus 1. After that, distributive property applied here. Okay. So minus 16 into minus 40 plus minus 16 into 1. Minus 16 into minus 40, you got 640. Plus minus 16 into 1, you get minus 16. After that, plus into minus, you get minus 16. So after subtracting, we are receiving 624 is the answer. Do you understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? Yeah. Minus 68 into minus 19 plus 68. Here multiplication with division is there. Okay, children. In this case, what do you want to do? Here, which is the common number is present, children? Which is the common number? 68, 68. Okay, here minus 68, there 68. But I am going to take 68 because sign are different. Okay. So, I am going to take 68 alone. So in this place, what will be there? So minus 68 means 68 into minus 1, you get minus 68, isn't it? Isn't it?
So I am taking the 68 alone. Appo what is remaining in that place? Minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 19. In this first term, here I am taking 68 out. So remaining minus 1 is there into minus 19 as it is right. Next here plus sign is there plus. This 68 I am taking out. 68 means 68 equal to 68 into 1. So 68 I am taking out. What is the remaining? 1 is the remaining. Okay. So now 68 minus 1 into 19, you get 19 because minus into minus you get plus. Then plus 1. Okay. Now 68 into 19 plus 1 you get 20. Now 10 is there, put it, just multiply by 2. 2 8s are 16, remaining 1. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So what is the answer, children? So answer is 1360. Do you understand, children? You have any doubt in this? No doubt. Okay, children, you practice well. Okay, every day you must work out the problem, children. Thank you.